Bill, could I light some?
Yeah, here's a wait until Elijah comes back out.
Yeah, I put mine in.
Hey, Georgie,
Widow.
can you go get me a big garbage bag?
Yeah, hold on. Let me let this firework off. What is this?
Elijah, here's a Black Widow.
Black Widow? Where's the Black Widow?
All right, I'm gonna let this Black Widow off.
Uncle Georgie's gonna light the Black Widow.
Look at it. Okay. No, Michaela. Well, you need to be careful.
Elijah, watch. Here comes the Black Widow. Watch. I don't know. This is a new one, I think.
Mom.
Elijah, look.
If you can have another second,
Well, then come over here then.
Spiders are coming out.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Are those supposed to be the spiders? That's what they look like.
Look, it's colorful now.
Oh. You want them down on the sidewalk, honey.
That's fire. Look at mine. I'm bringing next to me. Caleb, did you see
That was a good one.
What happened, baby? Elijah got burned or what?
No.
No.
All right, Bill. Here's the lighter.
Here, Georgie, you can light this little red devil.
Who wants this?
Excuse me.
Alright.
You can get your own bed.
Let's do it.
Hold on, Georgie, hold on. I'm gonna take these. Hold on, wait. Let me take these up. Elijah, devil.
Oh, let's watch the
Watch out.
That was a good one, Mary.
Whoa! I've only had like 3 of them.
Mom, this is all going.
That part freaks me out, man. No, it's not done.
I mean, for 5 hours.
No, it's not done. I still see fire. Okay, so.
No, it's not. It's not always fully done. You gotta watch out. Check that out. Fire. All right, Bill here. Let's do it, Bill.
This is the Black Widow again.
Black Widow?
Yeah. Elijah, here's a Black Widow. Yeah. Elijah, look at the Black Widow.
Baby, you still have Elijah's box to put away? That single box?
Oh yeah, he's right here. Here's the radiant. Here's our baboon. Our finale. Georgie, this is supposed to be a good one.
No, baby. In the water.
Well, let's do it, Bill.
Really good, actually. Still.
Is this the last firework, though?
This is our last one.
We have more in our car, too.
That's a big boom. You hear that boom in the background?
Yeah, I did.
That was an M80, I think. You have to press it down all the way. Let's do it!
There it goes.
Okay, watch the big one, Elijah.
Elijah, look at the big one.
Watch out, there's a big one.
Elijah.
You got a good one, Bill.
Yeah, what's it called?
I should have gotten that.
Oh, wow.
All right, Mary, get your fireworks and let's go. Let's get it going. Got sparklers going.
You are not allowed. Are you going to have one?
Is that your fireworks that you're gonna light?
You're touching the one that's...
What fireworks is that?
It's called Dixie Delight.
Dixie Delight. We're gonna light this off, guys.
How do I...
I'm putting this on YouTube.
How do I get the fuse out?
Look for the fuse. You find the fuse? Alright. Go for it.
Whoa!
Sorry, Bill. Sparklers.